Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how you can grow the flower plants in your garden from seeds itself. This video will be helpful for the beginners and I will show you step by step what to do and how to take care of the plants. Please watch this video. As like an infant, child or adult has a different diet, same way you need a extra special plant diet, which is I have used the seed and cutting premium potting mix. If you don't have that, then you can make your own potting mix, which is you can take 40% garden normal soil, 20% fine sand and 20% cocoa peat and 20% organic compost. But here I have selected the seed and cutting premium potting mix, which you can buy from Bunning. So it's a 25 liter for around $12. So, and then you need a high quality seeds. So these are the different seeds. So I will be starting with the marigold flowers. For growing the seedlings, you need the tray, small tray. Normally these are available around $5-6 in the store, but if you don't want to buy, you can use the egg tray. Like this is the egg tray I have used. So but in the egg tray you need to just put up some holes that so there is a drainage. So I am using that with the drill machine, but otherwise with any kind of nails or small knife, you can just have to make the holes so there is a outlet for the water. Otherwise it will be all spoiled. As you can see, my egg tray is ready with the holes, so I can put up the soil which will be good for the drainage of these plants. So I am using this egg tray and I have a hole inside the tray so that there is a drainage for the plants. So just fill this tray with the potting mix. So after filling you have to press that so that there is no air bubble. You have to just keep on pressing the tray so that soil is properly settled. So once you have done that, so now you have to water the plants very slowly. So you can use I have used the bottle, any bottle with small holes inside the bottle. So now you just have to water the soil. So now I am putting marigold, so don't put up the seeds too deep. So in each of the tray just put up the seeds. Once you have put up the seeds on the tray, you have to put up a very thin layer of the plant soil itself. So I am just covering that with the small layer of plant soil. Just bury those seeds. So I have buried the seeds with the thin layer of soil mix again. Now you have to slowly water again. And this is all done. Now you have to regularly water the plants and keep it away from the direct sunlight. On third day you can find the small leaves coming out of the seeds on the third day, as you can see that. These are the third day. These are the marigolds size after 4 days. So these are marigolds after 1 week, so around 1 to 1.5 centimeter long. You can see. So after 3 weeks they are ready to shift to the bigger pot. These are the size of the seedlings after 4 days. So you have to make sure there is enough water. Just take out the any of that and see is it wet, and in the tray you can put up the water so that there is water to the plants. So you have to protect those from the direct sunlight, and after 4 weeks this plant will be ready to move to a bigger pot. See, such a nice seedlings. And this is the size of the marigold after 4 weeks. So now you can see clearly the flower, the others also ready to bloom. Very healthy plant after 4 weeks. So this is now the plant is moved to the 8 inches pot, and you can see that the size of the plant after 6 weeks. So see, now it's in the fully growth. You can put it in the soil also in your garden. Thanks for watching guys, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.